for the next day for my hair or for the water to dry a little bit, then I'll follow it by my Ayurvedic or my own DIY oil cream that I have been using for my hair. Yes, so I just go by starting to spray my scalp with this. As you can see, this is the spritz. You just have to go with my edges. Then every part of it. So you know, natural hair takes time for it to grow, so please be patient and be consistent. Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my black rice water for my hair. Yes, I leave this black rice water in my hair overnight. I don't wash it, I leave it as it's leaving, and afterwards I apply my oil or my moisturizer into my hair. But this video is purposely for how to grow your hair in braids. So before we get into the video, please, if this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified whenever there is a new upload. And also thanks for already my subscribers for sharing my videos. So that's how black rice looks like. It's really organic, as it has a long grain. That's how black rice looks like. This one is really much richer in protein than the white rice, and the white rice, as you can also use it to grow your hair. And with this one, the protein content in it is much more higher than brown and white rice, of which will enhance the minerals and the vitamins in this rice will help your hair to grow. So as you can see, I've poured some few of it into the bowl, and I'm going to wash it properly. So as you can see, for the sake of this video, I'm not doing it all that much because I'm not that in need of it. Some people did ask when I posted what I've been using for my hair. They asked of what or how I do make my black rice, and I promised them of making a video for them to see. So that's how it looks like now as I have washed it. Okay, so I'm going to strain it. I've washed it for all the dirt that is on the black rice to go off. So I'm going to transfer it into my container. You can use a glass jar that you have. Alright, so I'm going to add almost half of the container's water because of how this. Now, as you can see, I'm going to let this sit for the next 12 hours, or let's say overnight. I'm going to leave it overnight, then we come back to it to have a look at how the black rice looks like, or the water turned out to be like. Alright, so it's early morning and my rice water or my black rice has been left overnight, and that's how the water looks like. Now my spray bottle is here. I'm going to need a funnel and a strainer. Yes, so I'm going to put it in this. I'm just shaking it for a while, then I'm done. So I'm going to leave this for another recipe. Now my aloe vera juice is here. As you can see, it was in the fridge. I extracted it all that much from the plant, so I'll be using it small, like in bits. So I'm going ahead to add my aloe vera juice. Actually, the aloe vera will prevent it from getting smelly and also fight any bacteria or any fungi that will be found in the rice water. So as you can see, I'm going to use this for 3 days and also for my wash days. Alright, so that's how I make my rice water leave-in spray for mash, growth and length retention, as I choose to grow my hair in braids. Alright, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and also share to your friends as well.